Good morning Year 5, welcome to Tuesdays, that's day 2 of week 5's home learning. I hope you all managed to do okay yesterday for maths. Today's math lesson is going to be looking at how to find the missing angles in a triangle. Now some of you moved on to something you moved on to this yesterday, and I'm going to be recapping how to do it because it is going to step up a little bit today and get a bit harder. So make sure you're listening carefully and good luck. I forgot to make a really important point when I was filming this video earlier, and that is if you did the 1-star questions yesterday for yesterday's missing angle on the straight line, you need to make sure you listen really carefully because this is a completely new concept for you today. If you did 2 or 3 stars, you are pretty much carrying on from yesterday. So you're sort of building on the skill that you learnt yesterday and having more practice because it's not that easy. Also, if you choose to do the 2-star activity today, they are very similar to yesterday's questions. So what I would like you to do is have a go at the 2-star activity and then try one of the questions before you try the challenge question as well. If you need to watch yesterday's video to have a go to learn how to do it, that's absolutely fine as well. So all of these shapes are triangles. Now, all of these angles in each triangle, no matter what type of triangle it is, all add up to the same number. So this angle, this angle, this angle would all add up to 180. This angle, this angle, this angle, if I add them together, would all add up to 180. This angle, and this angle would all add up to 180. So today we're going to be trying to work out, from using the information we've been given, missing angles. Now, when you think about this triangle here, we know straight away this is a right angle triangle. So if I was to give you this angle, and it's not been drawn with a protractor, so I'm not sure. I don't have a protractor at home, which is probably quite bad as a teacher, but I don't have one. So, I've told you that this angle is 90, and I know that because it's a right angle. And I know this angle measures 70 degrees because we're going to pretend that I've measured it, but I haven't. So, to work out this angle, I need to do some sums. So, I am going to do 90 add 70. Now, most of you want you to do this in your head, but I know it's 160. And so now I know the total of these two is 160. Now, if I know that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180, I wonder what this angle could be. Pause the video and have a really quick think. Okay, so you should have worked out that this angle is going to be 20 degrees. And that's a way of doing that, if you wasn't quite sure, is you do 180, because they all add up to 180, and you take away the amount that you've already got, which gives you 20. Therefore, I now know that angle is 20. So to make this more interesting, I thought I would ask Ross to go around my house and find some triangles for us to find the missing angles of. So I'm going to go and see now what he has managed to find. So here is our first one that he's given us. So it's 64 degrees in this corner of the triangle. There's a triangle. 64 degrees. This is the angle we're trying to work out. And this angle down here is a right angle. So there's our triangle. Pause the video now and have a go at working out the missing angle. So for this question, I've got 90 and I've got 64 degrees. I'm going to add them together. 9 add 6 is 15, so 154. Take that away from 180. That's 7, 10, that's 6, that's 2, and that's 0. Therefore, this angle is going to be 26 degrees. Is this our last triangle?
Yeah, but I couldn't find another tie, so I'm at the bottom of the triangle.
Okay, well you better get out of the way so I can show the children the angles. So, now that Ross has moved, here is your final triangle to have a go at. 54, question mark, 67. Have a go at working at that triangle. Pause the video and have a go at doing it now. Okay, so final one. I'm sure you're all experts by now. For 54, add 67, that gives me 11. 5 and 6 is also 11, add the 1 is 12. 121, 180, minus 121. This is really tricky one-handed. Make that 7, 10, make that 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, this angle is 59. So I use 180 because all of the angles add up to 180. So hopefully you managed okay with that lesson. It was pretty much quite similar to yesterday, and it was more of just a recap and some practice for you. Let us know how you got on Google Classrooms. See you soon.